Hi, I'm Colin Robinson. I'd like to give you a brief tour of the Computer Integrated Machining program here at Mitchell Community College. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we have, things that we can do, and these are things that you can do too. So come join us. This is the machining program's CAD lab and simulation lab. The computers employ Mastercam, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Inventor. We also have 3 generations of Haas simulation machines. This is where you will be taught how to draw, construct, generate programs, write programs, set them all up, proof them out, and then take them to the machines for a finished product. Now let's go to the machine shop. Well, welcome to the machine shop. This is what you see when you first walk in the door. Now in this machine shop, we do manual machining, we do CNC machining, and we do hybrid machining, which means you can have one machine that does manual and CNC. So we'll take you around and give you a little look at the equipment that we have here. We also have a furnace for heat treating, and we have an optical comparator, plus a whole bunch of other goodies in between. So let's take a look at what's going on in here, and I'll move you around the shop, okay? Now this side of the shop is mostly our manual equipment. These green machines you see here are called knee mills. They are a manual machining vertical machine. They're the most common machine in machining world, but these machines are also a hybrid machine, so you can use them as a standard everyday manual machine, but they also will do CNC, 3-axis CNC machining. This row of machines here is a set of our lathes. These lathes are similar to those mills where they are hybrid. It's a manual machine, it's also a CNC machine. So let's just take a close look at some of these. The software in these machines is Windows, so it's very easy to get to use to do. And farther down the row here, these are strictly manual machines. Here we have 2 completely manual milling machines, same as the hybrids. They just don't do any CNC work. And here we have 2 manual lathes. Our products are from Select and from ProtoTrack. Everything on this side of the shop is brand new. Now let's go take a look at the CNC stuff. This is our Haas VFO 3-axis machining center. It's a full CNC, fully automatic, and it comes complete with a 20 tool carousel. So you can have up to 20 tools used during an operation. This is our Haas HL1 slant bed lathe. It is a CNC machine. It has a 6-tool turret. The students will learn how to run and operate, program this machine, and set it up to make automated parts, the same as they will with the VFO. These are samples of some parts that the students have just done using the HL1 lathe. This is a pretty nifty little machine here. It's not very big, but it does a superior job. This is a Darax XT3000 drill sharpener. When you have a dull drill or a cracked drill at the end's chipped off or something, you put it in this machine, turn it on, and it automatically grinds it to a nice perfect point once again. It's actually one of the students' favorites because they get to bring all their drills in from home and practice on it. We also have an assortment of other smaller machines. We have 2 of these small jet lathes. They're manual lathes. They're great for really starting out on beginning work. And then we also have a variety of grinding, sanding, buffing type machines. And over here in the corner, we have a heat treat furnace and our chop saw. And did I mention that most everything we make in here is a tool? The students get to make things for themselves, but all of our work assignments are usually tools. So everything you make, you keep. So the nicer the tool, the better it is for your toolbox later. And this is the big dog in the shop. This is our Haas VF2 5-axis vertical machining center. This is the one that is the most fun for some of the people that come here. What you do is you start off in the lab, you come up with an idea, you create it in Mastercam, you convert it into a program, you bring it over here, and you run your part. When you leave here, you'll be very prepared for the job market. And right now it's a good time to start because the job market is hungry for machinists. How big are your circles? Come by and see us here at Mitchell. I think you'll like everything that you see here. I love being here. I started here as a student, and I can tell you that it's very economical to be a student here. It's $76 a credit hour. When you add it all up, it's about $10,000 for a 2-year Carolina State accredited degree. If you'll check the pricing at other schools, you'll see that this is a very good deal. Everything we make here is mostly a tool. We don't make too many widgets or paperweights. Sometimes we make toys, and I'll show you another clip of some of the stuff that we do make. But come see us, get a personal tour, get a feel for the place. We'd love to have you here, and we'd love to see you join the student body. Have a great day, and thanks for coming for a visit. Okay, what you have here are some examples of projects that have been made by students. This here is a fully functioning C-clamp. There are 2 fly cutters. That is a machinist jack. That's a ball peen hammer. This is a thread block for measuring bolts and screws. And those 2 bigger items, the smaller one on the right, is an actual functioning 4-cycle engine that runs on propane. And then this one is called a flame eater engine that runs off alcohol and the open flame. So as you can see, the projects we do here can be pretty good. Every one of these is either a very cool toy or a very useful tool. So just to give you a quick shot at what can be done here at Mitchell's Machine Shop program.